Hey, quit it. I had some valerian out on the kitchen table, and my cats are going crazy over it now after I've been working with it. I did a little odd experimentation, put a little bit in with my pipe tobacco earlier, and it didn't mess with the flavor too much, but definitely, definitely is a little bit more relaxing smoke. You don't want too much of it. I smoked it out of this little guy right here. Worked amazingly. That's probably about the biggest bowl you'd want to smoke it out of, unless you want to be, stumbling around like an idiot. As you can see, my lighter's down to its last bit of fuel, and hell, I'm down to my last bit of tobacco in this. I'll just be a little bad boy and refill it real quick. Yeah, I want one more bite night right now. Let's see. I have got more tobacco that's gonna be on its way later today. Good enough. One match, all you need. Unraveling my cords a bit. Just tamp this sucker down a bit before I refill the slider. This can be done safely. What the? No of those suckers for now. I hope they don't knock shit over. And refilling Zippos is quite easy, and I find it for me it's a little less of a pain in the ass than refilling the butane lighters. You don't have all that fuel cloud spraying all over the place. Makes it a little bit safer for doing while smoking, but still probably not the most intelligent. But the Zippo lighters are really easy to fill. Just got the little insert in there, Just pull that little sucker out. Got that out, and you got this little felt thing that goes over the top. Just pull that sucker back, and you got the rayon or whatever cotton balls in there. You just take your feel and start pouring it in there, you want to pour it a bit slowly to make sure you don't overfill it and get all over the place. When you start seeing a little bit, see it getting a little wet at the top, that's probably about enough. And he's good. Once you're done with that, you just put the insert back in there. And kind of let that soak in there for a bit. It's probably already in there now. It's probably already good now, but good tip. After refilling the first light, you want to light it and just let it sit there for like 30 seconds or so, and let it burn off all the excess fuel. You can light a pipe immediately after doing it, but it'll just taste horrid. I don't so much mind the flavor of the fuel when I do get a hit of it, but it's really not good for you to ingest this shit. But you just let it sit there for a bit, maybe like 20-30 seconds, burn off all that extra fuel that's probably dripped down through the wick on the other stuff. And after you've done that, pour it out. And unless you've got asbestos fingers like I do, you probably don't want to try lighting it right after you do that, because it's really hot. Light, damn it. And works like a charm. And I now have a blister forming on my thumb. Well, just have a really clean spot on my thumb where it tore off a layer of skin from the heat, which is why you probably don't want to try to light it until it's cooled down after that initial fill up and burn off. But anywho, I'm gonna wait for my tobacco to come, and I'll post another video later. Maybe a box opening, maybe just my usual tobacco presentation. So take care and keep your stick on the ice.